Hi, this is Dennis Grandpa Hawkins, and this is an introduction to Lumen 5. Free, no trial needed, newbie, and grandpa friendly. Grandpa's free training.
Lumen 5 is a video creation platform driven by artificial intelligence and machine learning. Using our platform, you can easily turn any blog post into a video. To create a video, simply enter a link to a blog post or news article. Using natural language processing, Lumen 5 will automatically create a storyboard for you. We then use machine learning to match each scene with media files that are relevant to your content. The length of each scene is algorithmically determined based on the amount of text on display. Text positioning is intelligently calculated based on the scene composition to make sure everything looks great. Important keywords are highlighted as well. Our built-in media library contains over 100 million assets, and you can use these with a simple drag and drop. Within a few minutes, your video is ready to be shared across your social channels. Video posts on social media get 12 times more engagement than photos and text combined. Lumen 5 has helped over 200,000 businesses create over 1 million videos. To start making your own videos, get started with a free account today.
Please follow along as I sign up for Lumen 5.
Alright, let's click over here. You're going to watch the video. You go up to sign up for free. Click there. Going to fill in your details. Remember to write your details down, like which email you used, your password. Then go over here and click on Create Account. Okay, you have some categories that you can choose from. So just look at what they are here. Okay, the one I'm going to choose is Education and Training. Now you've got some video format choices here. Facebook, Instagram. I'm going to choose News Feed for Facebook. Okay, I'm going to start with entering some text. This article came from eZine articles. So I copied the article. I did a little bit of editing. At the bottom, you're going to see the article source. When I make a YouTube video, I will add that article source in the description section. Okay, let's copy all of this. Let's go back over to Lumen 5 and go here and paste it in. Scroll up to see all your content. you can do editing later. Go here and click on Go. Now you have some theme choices here. I happen to like this orange and yellow one. Okay, now, once you get over here, there's a few things you can do. You can listen to this lady gab, gab, gab if you like to, right?
Okay, so thanks for watching up to this point. Now the video that you saw on my Leo page, Learn, Earn Online, that video was made with the Free Forever video making tool that you just saw me join. Now this video is kind of long already, and it's optimized for the Facebook posting. So I'm going to make another video using this free tool, and it's going to be optimized for YouTube video, and it's the same pattern. Just follow along. If you need to watch the first video about how this was done, or watch that other video itself to get some ideas, go ahead and do that. But the next video will start up right with getting inside the tool and loading the article, and then making the slides, and then getting that all uploaded to YouTube. Alright, so I'll be seeing you over there.